Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the job opportunities for testers, and we will share the job opportunities for freshers and the work from home remote job opportunities as well. So there are many people out there who are telling that there are no jobs for the freshers. So as and when we are getting the job opportunities for freshers, so we are sharing with you. And in this video, you would get the fresher job opportunities as well, right? So watch this video till the end. And don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe our channel as well. So there is a requirement for SDET, lead SDET, and for the SDET at this particular company, that is eightfold.ai. So you can check out this website also, and you would get the opportunities for QA, SDET opportunities over there, and you can apply at this particular careers link, and they are looking for someone who has got the hands-on experience and the skill set in UI as well as in API automation. So you can see UI, API automation, CI/CD pipelines, Playwright, cloud platforms, right? So these are the things. Then there's a requirement for manual testers. It's a remote job opportunity. And if you are someone who is interested for the manual testing jobs, so you can look into this particular details. So let me share those details with you. Yeah. So you would be able to see this image. So this is the company, and you can apply today at info@ngrs.com itself, right? So if you are looking forward for a manual testing role, you can apply over here. 3+ years of experience in manual testing is required, preferably in a healthcare or in a regulated environment. Strong understanding of software QA methodologies, tools and processes, familiarity with SQL and database concepts would be the plus thing, right? Then there's a requirement for freshers. So this company, Excel Tech, is hiring for freshers, and it is located in Ahmedabad. There are three fresher level openings, mid-level also, and team lead. So totally there are six openings for fresher for 6 months to 2 years and for 4+ years of experience. The website details and the email address details are shared with you. So then let us move to the another opportunities. Again, there's a walk-in drive that is going on, which is for freshers, for QA freshers itself. And this particular company is hiring for QA engineers, 0 to 1 year of experience. They are looking for passionate QA professionals who are eager to grow. And it would be from Monday to Friday. It is an ongoing walk-in drive. And the timings are 10:30 a.m. to 12 noon. And this is the venue details. Okay. Then there's a requirement for senior QA engineer manual, and again, it's a remote job. So location is remote UAE, and this is the website. And what you will be doing is you'll be designing, you'll be developing and executing manual test cases for web-based applications. You need to have 2+ years of hands-on experience in manual testing of web or mobile applications, strong understanding of STLC and bug life cycle, and you can share your resume or GitHub link at the official email address. So they haven't mentioned the email address, but they have given the link, right? So here you need to apply. I'll be putting all these links in the first comment of the video itself, so you can apply from there directly. Then there's a requirement for automation testers, and they are looking for Java, Selenium, and notice period is 90 days. So it's a good company which is waiting for the candidates to join within 90 days. Otherwise, these days, every company will ask you to join immediately. Okay. Immediately or within 15 days. So that's the thing. So note experience required is 3 to 12 years. Location is Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Trivandrum, Pune, Chandigarh, Noida, NCR. And you can share your CV here. Then there's a requirement for again QA testers at EY company, Ernst& Young, and the requirements are 3 to 6 years of QA experience, manual or automation, strong understanding of SDLC, STLC, and defect management, experience with testing tools, then good analytical and communication skills, and you can send your email, the resume to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for automation testers. So if you're someone who enjoys breaking things the right way, you can go for this automation testing job. They are looking for 4 to 5 years of experience. Location is Hyderabad. You can send your resume to this email address with the subject line application for automation testing with X years of experience, right? They are looking for someone with good experience in Java, Selenium, experience with REST API testing, understanding of Agile, Scrum, CI/CD practices, right? Then there's a requirement for QA engineer, and if you are someone who is passionate to write the test cases and perform the testing, so here is a link you can apply. There is a requirement for performance test engineer, 3+ years of experience is required, and the location is Bangalore. So they are looking for someone who has got hands-on experience in JMeter, load runner, performance tuning, bottleneck analysis, Grafana. So performance testing, end-to-end performance testing. If you have experience, if you have real-time experience, okay, it's not about fake experience because you would be getting caught very easily. Performance testing, you cannot hide anything. So they are hiring for this. So you can reach out to this particular email address, or you can also apply at this particular link. Then there's a requirement for manual testers, 3 to 5 years of experience, and the location is Mumbai. Working days would be 6. It would be from Monday to Saturday. Experience required is 3 to 5 years. So you can share your CV at this particular email address. So immediate joiners or candidates with 15 days of notice period are preferred for this particular. So immediate joiners or candidates with 15 days of notice period are preferred for this particular position, and they are hiring for manual testers with 3 to 5 years of experience. Location is Mumbai. Working days is 6 days, and it would be experience of 3 to 5 years. So many of positions you would see are of automation testing, but still we are getting positions of manual testing. So manual testing jobs are there. It is not like they are not there. You would be seeing all these jobs, but you need to apply with the right skill set, with the right profile, with the right candidate. That's very important, right? And let me share the other details also with you. So there is a manual testing job opportunity itself. So this is a company, Excel Tech, which is hiring for QA, and they're hiring for freshers as well as for the experienced candidates. So you can apply for these particular companies today itself. Right? That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for updates.